Use HMR 15 mm. Measure and mark HMR. Then cut 3 pieces HMR using table saw with width 60 mm. Assemble all HMR cut using glue. Then, clamp it. Measure and mark HMR before, and cut using miter saw. I put HMR 15 mm and cut using table saw with size 100 mm times 150 mm. Mark HMR. And assemble with HMR cut before. Make sure the position is straight with angle 90 degrees. After the glue dry, drill and screw. I give paper tape on the table saw to make zero clearance. I put my thin rib jig. Set up with size 5 mm. Then, I cut HMR 15 mm. Assemble HMR cut before with the tower base. Make sure all the position is straight. I put aluminum bar. Measure and mark, then cut into 2 pieces. Measure and mark aluminum to add hole. Then, drill the mark. put the aluminum on the tower base. Make sure the position is right, then lock using screw. Measure and mark HMR 15 mm. Then I cut into 2 pieces using miter saw. I put U-groove bearing. I will use this bearing as a slider on the aluminum bar. Mark HMR cut before to determine U-groove bearing's position. Then drill the mark. I use M5 bolt to assemble bearing on HMR. I try bearing slide on the aluminum whether it worked properly. Measure the slider gap. Then apply on HMR. Assemble HMR cut with the slider. I put scrap HMR. Measure and mark HMR, then cut using miter saw. Measure and mark HMR cut before. I will add bearing. I use first net bit 25 mm. Then drill HMR. Place bearing into the hole made before. I put drill adapter 13 millimeters. I use shelf of Dynabolt. Put another bearing, then place it into HMR. Use epoxy glue to assemble adapter with shelf Dynabolt. Clean the rest glue. Make sure the position is 90 degrees. After everything is fixed, assemble with the slider. I put keyless drill chuck. Put it into the adapter. I put drill bit 3 millimeters, then drill the base. Check the result drill, make sure the angle is 90 degrees. Now I drill the base using first net or 25 millimeters. Add sandpaper on the base for the grip so it will be stable. I prepare HMR for the drill test. I drill the mark with so many size of drill bit. You can drill under the base or the top of the base. Now I will check the result. Looks good and perfect 90 degrees.